Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Oanda. If you want to trade forex, commodities, indices or CFDs directly from your mobile device, the Oanda mobile trading app make it easy and convenient. Oanda is a well-known global online broker that provides access to the financial market through its secure and user-friendly platform. And using the app on your iPhone allows you to monitor charts, place trades, manage your account and track market movement anytime and anywhere. Now let's go step by step through the complete process of downloading and installing the Oanda app on your iPhone. And before you make sure your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi or the mobile data. Ensure you have enough storage space available. First, you need to locate to the App Store and open it. Over here on the bottom, we can find there's a search bar. Select the search bar and type down Oanda, and you need to search for it over here. And look carefully for the official trading app published by the Oanda Corporation over here. Select this Oanda Forex and CFD trading. And once you find the Oanda app, you can tap on the Get button here, and you may be asked to verify identity using your Face ID, Touch ID, Apple ID, password, and after verification the app will begin downloading automatically, and the download process circle will appear on the screen. Once complete, the app installs automatically. The Oanda app icon will now appear on your iPhone home screen, and installation usually takes less than a minute depending on your internet speed. And that is it. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.